Hey guys, I'll teach you how to replace the rocker cover gasket. It's very easy, and this 4M40 engine by Mitsubishi. First, we need to remove this intercooler, which is hold on by 4 bolts, which is this here and those two over there, and the intercooler pipes or hose. Don't forget to unplug these two. This is for the intercooler fan, which is under here, and this is for the sensor to activate the intercooler fan here, right here. So unplug these two, and 2 hoses that's going here, so that you can remove this. Here you can see the extent of the oil leak. Oil leak is everywhere. To remove this, it's very easy. Make sure to unplug this crankcase ventilation and 2 bolts, which is here and the other side, opposite side I mean, and then 1 bolt that's holding the transmission dipstick, and that's it. You can remove the top cover after that. Now is the right time to inspect the timing. It's quite snug, very snug. Quite impressed actually. Inspect everything. Good. I think I just need to clean this up and clean the other top cover. What you say, Scotch Brite to clean the surface of the cylinder head, so that I'll have perfect surface to mount to, so that it won't leak. After cleaning the surfaces, and I changed the silicones on these half moons on this engine. Some of the engines don't have half moons, but mine does, so I changed mine. And after that, after cleaning both surfaces of the head and the cover, install your gaskets right here, rubber gaskets all around. Put a little bit of beta gray each corner so it won't fall down. Before installing it, I'm putting some beta grays on the half moons. After that, you mount your head. Forget to put some silicone or beta grease on both these. What you call this? Comment down below. What's the name of this? Snug it a little bit. Just using a 12 mm socket. New and newly sealed cover. As you can see, sealed. Next video I'll try to clean all the excess oil leak. The next video, let's try that. After that, return the intercooler and tighten up all the bolts. Don't forget about the crankcase ventilation hose. Don't forget to plug the connectors for the intercooler and the sensor. Because I removed the dipstick, return these two. And for me, I like to cure it so that the silicone will dry out and would create a perfect seal before I try to start the engine. Hey guys, after running for a few kilometers, there are no more leaks, as you can see. Beta gray is still very gray, as you can see. Can't be seen from here for a second. As you can see, no leaks so far with just few kilometers. It's good, very good. Thanks, and please subscribe and like the video if you like it. I'll upload more videos regarding automotives and DIY stuffs.